Do you want to unlock the secrets of the digital underworld? To become the guardian of the web, uncovering vulnerabilities, and protecting systems from the shadows? Becoming a hacker, an ethical one, isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. In this video, we'll break down the ultimate roadmap to mastering cybersecurity. Every step brings you closer to this powerful realm. Are you ready to start your journey? Let's dive in. Step 1. Master the language of the web. Computer networks. Imagine a hacker as a modern explorer. Networks are your map, your battlefield, and your treasure. To navigate this world, you need to understand how devices communicate. Start with basics like IP addresses, DNS, and ports. Then dig deeper into protocols, TCP/IP, HTTP, and SSH. Tools like Wireshark will become your eyes, letting you capture and analyze network traffic. The more you learn, the clearer the vulnerabilities will become. This knowledge is your first step to owning the digital game. But remember, knowledge without ethics can lead to chaos. Let's keep moving. Step 2. Enter the playground of hackers, Linux. Windows might be everywhere, but Linux is where the magic happens. It's open source, customizable, and used by hackers and cybersecurity experts worldwide. Start by exploring the command line. Commands like ls, cd, and grep will feel like unlocking secret doors. Get familiar with file systems, permissions, and process management. Tools like Kali Linux come preloaded with hacking utilities that ethical hackers swear by. But remember, mastery of Linux isn't just about running tools. It's about understanding the system and thinking like an architect of the digital realm. Now that you know the terrain, it's time to learn how to defend it. Step 3. Understand the fundamentals of cybersecurity. Learn about firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and endpoint security. Know the difference between malware, ransomware, and phishing. Study real-world attacks like WannaCry or SolarWinds to see how hackers exploit weaknesses. Practice on legal platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box. These simulations allow you to hone your skills without crossing any ethical boundaries. Remember, being a hacker isn't just about exploiting. It's about safeguarding systems with precision and integrity. Step 4. Speak the language of machines, programming and scripting. Tools are powerful, but the real power comes from writing your own scripts. Python is your go-to for automation, data analysis, and even penetration testing. Learn how to manipulate files, handle exceptions, and connect to networks through Python scripts. JavaScript helps you understand web application vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, XSS. Bash scripting is another must-have skill for automating repetitive tasks on Linux systems. Programming transforms you from a tool user to a creator, giving you the ability to build and adapt solutions for any challenge. You now have the roadmap to enter the world of ethical hacking. From mastering networks to writing your own scripts, each step is a brick in the fortress of your knowledge. But remember, hacking isn't just about breaking, it's about building a safer digital world. If this guide lit a spark in you, hit the like button, subscribe to HackEthics, and join us on this journey to become the heroes of the web. Be greedy for knowledge. Stay ethical in action.